Hi friend, in AWS we use RDS as the database. So in this video, very short, quickly I will explain what is the benefits of using RDS and comparison with other databases. Okay, so let's start. What is Amazon RDS? How is it different from the regular databases? Now, if you remember this pass category, then for applications, you can host the application in EC2 or Beanstalk or Lambda in AWS, right? Similarly, for data, you can use RDS for data, RDS, okay? Here is one more very important diagram where you can see our applications are getting the data from the RDS, which is the database, okay? Now, as a developer, if you have used MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, etc. on your local system or in the on-premise servers, then Amazon RDS is the same and the best RDBMS database in AWS for you. You can use it along with the Oracle or MySQL or any database, okay? So for database of your if you want database for your application, select the RDS service in AWS. Here is the clear and short definition. Amazon RDS is a fully managed cloud-based relational database service from AWS. It is offered as a platform as a service, meaning you just have to provide the data table structure, whatever, but you do not have to install the Oracle or you do not have to worry about the main installations. Just you have to provide the data to AWS and they will already use RDS. You have just to choose the RDS service, okay? AWS will take care of for managing the backups, for patching, updates, everything AWS will do. That's the diagram and that's the definition, and this definition diagram will help you in the revision for your interviews from this book. What is the difference between Amazon RDS and Amazon RDS Custom? Let's master this. Now in AWS, you can create two types of RDS databases. One is very normal one, and we call it simply RDS. And another one is the custom one, which we call RDS Custom. Here is the first difference between them. In standard RDS, you do not have full control over the OS or DB. Okay, you cannot control the operating system and database. It's fully managed by the AWS. You just have to create the tables. Basically, your data stuff only you can do. Whereas, if you choose RDS Custom, you have full access to the OS, DB configurations, and most of the things, meaning more control you have in RDS Custom, okay? Second difference is, for Amazon RDS, AWS manages the patching and the backups. You manage it for Amazon RDS Custom, okay? The backups, the patching, everything, okay? Next, custom DB configurations are very limited. You do not have to you can't customize it too much, normal RDS, standard RDS, but you have full flexibility for modifying customer configurations for RDS Custom, okay? Now the most important question, when to use what? See, here it is. If you are creating a fresh and simple database, then go for Amazon RDS. But if you are migrating some legacy database, then and there the third-party tools involved, then go for RDS Custom, because it supports legacy apps. Means you have the full control, so you can do the configurations as per your old database. But in standard RDS, mostly things are already there, so you have to you can't customize too much, okay? In short, go for RDS standard in most cases, simple and medium app development, And in complex migration legacy application, think about RDS custom. Okay, that is the answer to this question, and everything is written in this book. Your global application needs a NoSQL database with great response time. What would you choose in AWS? So pause the video. You already know the answer. Very simple. Done? Here is it. DynamoDB. Okay, it's a fully managed multi-region NoSQL database that provides low latency, read-write at any scale, supports global tables, which makes it perfect for apps with a worldwide user base. So it's very popular, also supported also DynamoDB, and therefore it's good option in AWS. Okay, great job my friend. Now if you understand RDS, then there is one more important database, that is DynamoDB, very important for interviews, that I have explained in my complete AWS interview bootcamp. Many of my students have already used my courses to crack their interviews. Now, if you don't want to miss a single question for your next interview, then check out the bootcamp and book link in the description below.